If you want to find out how to obtain a flat belly fast, you need to understand that to shed fat in your tummy, you need to concurrently shed fat in your entire body. That's the reason why your diet is so important and why full body workouts are much more effective to assist you to shed stomach fat than ab-specific workouts like sit-ups and crunches. Here are 4 important principles on how to obtain a flat belly fast. Number 1. Maintain a healthy diet. The very first principle on how to obtain a flat belly fast is to maintain a healthy and balanced diet. No matter how much workout you do, it'll all go to waste unless you also sustain a well-balanced diet. Workout will certainly help you get rid of tummy fat, however maintaining a healthy and balanced diet assists prevent that fat to gather there in the first place. Number 2. Train your entire body. The following tip on how to obtain a flat belly fast is to carry out those workouts that train your whole body instead of ab-specific workouts such as sit-ups and crunches. The most effective workouts that fall in this group are those large muscle, multi-joint workouts that train you back, chest and shoulders. Number 3. Increase your metabolism. A high metabolic rate will certainly turn your body right into a fat-burning engine that sheds fat constantly, even when you rest or sleep. And the most effective way to keep your body's metabolic rate high is by doing regular cardio workouts such as cycling, running and swimming. These workouts are simple and easy to perform, and they are extremely beneficial for your body and your general health and wellness. Number 4. Give up soda and alcohol. You need to understand that soda and alcohol are extremely high in sugar and calories. Drinking a high amount of soda and alcohol is a proven way to put more and more fat in your body, particularly in the stomach area. So, one of the most effective tips you can get on how to obtain a flat belly fast is to remove soda and alcohol from your everyday diet, or at least try to decrease their intake slowly. Thank you for watching the video, hope you found it helpful. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel.